Heading into this trip, I thought I knew what to expect. A tourist destination with fancy beach resorts and nothing left to discover for ourselves. But I couldn't have been any more wrong. Was way wilder than I could have ever dreamed. Everywhere we went wasn't full of other tourists, but empty places to just go out and explore. But nothing was wilder than getting to go swim with the manta rays. Getting close to the erupting volcano and the lava flows was incredible. So glad we didn't listen to the news about not coming. Otherwise, we would have never gotten to experience this place, especially the food. This trip has taught me to travel with my eyes open to new adventures and drop all my preconceived notions about a place. Because the Big Island surprised me by being so much more than I could have ever expected.